Alice was an ordinary office worker stuck in a bureaucratic 9-to-5 job. She was fed up of dealing with software errors that put a strain on her workday routine. Enough is enough, she shouted one day and decided to declare war on these pesky bugs and errors. Alice got her battle gear ready, which included a state-of-the-art laptop, a rainbow assortment of pen drives, and boxes full of software. Armed with all the necessary weaponry, she vowed to take on the software bugs once and for all. Her first mission was to debug a project management software that was crashing frequently and causing chaos. After hours of pinpointing code blocks and patching them up, her fix worked. She felt a sense of joy and energy bursting out from within her as she had successfully completed her first mission. It was time for Alice's next mission, to design a user-friendly website for the company. With her creativity and coding skills combined, she made significant improvements to the website that would captivate the customer's interest. Alice encountered a software issue in the company's accounting system and quickly jumped into action. She applied her brilliant problem-solving skills to find the root of the bug and then crafted a remarkable solution by restructuring the entire code. Alice desired to make the software more secure and transportable, so she created a comprehensive cloud-based data protection plan that improved the security measures significantly. All the employees were now relieved, knowing their data was always protected. Alice developed a monitoring system for the company's infrastructure that checked for viruses and suspicious behavior efficiently. She was praised for her troubleshooting strategies as her innovations saved the company many embarrassing disasters. On her endeavor to optimize the performance of the company's software, Alice employed smart algorithms to squeeze out better results from the same hardware. This meant less waiting time and quicker solutions for complex tasks. Alice discovered an interesting application to automate mundane processes in the office. With just a few lines of code, she implemented a pioneering automation system that removed tedious tasks from employees' daily routines. Suddenly, Alice uncovered an obscure glitch in a core program that could take days to repair it, and she was certain that no one noticed it yet. In a daring move, she spent the night debugging it, and by morning she had corrected the issue and restored the software back to normal functioning. Alice came across a safety issue in one of the crucial web applications and developed a dynamic safety mechanism to detect any malicious activity before it causes trouble. To keep the system thoroughly secure, she also wrote a compact script to regularly run the tests and scan for vulnerabilities. After upgrading a software in production, Alice realized it broke 3 other programs running on the server and thought she must undo her mistake very soon. However, keeping in mind how events could snowball, Alice calmly took several steps backward, studied each command, and identified the original source of the error. By now, the employees of the firm started noticing Alice's transformations. When asked about this sudden change, Alice quipped, I'm just trying to eradicate some everlasting bugs." She had now become a bit of a superhero in the office. Alice even researched her own invention, a digital assistant bot which ran machine learning models, artificial intelligence, and natural language processing. It automated many customer service requests, reducing the load on the team. Impressed with Alice's innovation, her colleagues began calling her the Botsmith. Alice set her sight beyond the office environment to remote management and satellite systems. She wrote diagnostic codes to identify faster than light perturbations, utilized particle analytics to optimize communication bandwidth, and built sophisticated interfaces to study outer space. Alice moved to software optimization and invented her own algorithm to cut idle time while allocating memory and reduce wasted power, allowing concurrent executions of multiple functions at maximum speed. Her hardware telemetry gave her the confidence to run processor-hungry operations simultaneously. Alice then took a break from work and explored robotics, 3D printing, and virtual reality. which would be useful if she ever decided to engineer a physical entity based on her own software. She experimented with various mechanical components and advanced materials, striving for excellence and accuracy. Alice went off to develop an augmented reality headset prototype as part of her experiments. True to her calling, she optimized existing codebases and wrote 3 separate modules to manage apps, gesture recognition, and multimedia streaming options. The custom gestures Alice wrote for her headset allowed users to encounter the phenomena of augmented reality. Now Alice was not only able to turn her wildest ideas into reality, but also use augmented reality to visualize how products and services might look in real life. Alice had won the war on error and reigned over a world free of issues or frustrations. Using her wit, ingenuity, and technical prowess, she had eradicated software problems that threatened to disrupt businesses. She was rightly proud of her accomplishment and let out a triumphant cheer.